Hi there, it's John from Android Addicts with a rather sad video today. We're going to be showing you how you get a divorce in The Sims Mobile. Take our two soulmates here, Krista and Peppino. Peppino's been working late and he's been tired and he's not really been putting much effort into the relationship recently. So Krista has decided it is time for a change. She's going to take her little baby and her daughter with her and she's going to start a new life. So, how do we go about this? The first thing to understand is that you can't be in part of the chapter of your story. So here we can see the Become Soulmates story and it's asking us to start the next chapter. This has to be completed before you get the option to actually do the divorce. So if you do find yourself in the middle of a story, complete that first and we'll then move on to the next step. Okay, so once your relationship stories have finished and you're not in an active quest, select your sim and scroll down to the bottom until you see more options. Click on here and you'll now see under Rival the option to start the divorce event. Click Start Event and you'll have 30 minutes to sort out the arrangements. Okay, so once it's complete, you get some rewards. You even get some relationship points. And for some reason on mine, it's said that I'm actually in a new relationship with my ex-wife, so I'm not quite sure what that's all about. Probably just a bug. But anyway, once you're done, you can then feel free to, well, make some new friends. Hope you found the video useful, and I hope you won't ever have to go through this in The Sims Mobile. It's quite a traumatic time for me, but as you can see here, Peppino and Krista have already started making new friends. Please leave any comments you have down below, subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the next video.